Hi guys, to screen record on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, what you want to do is to swipe down through the control center on your device, and then you just want to swipe down again from over here to open up all of the shortcuts, and you should be able to find the screen recording icon from over here. You can see screen recorder. If you cannot find yours, you can tap on the plus icon at the top, then go ahead and tap on add a control. Then you can search for the screen recorder shortcut from the list of shortcuts we have over here. Once you find it, just go ahead and tap on it and it should automatically be added into your list of active shortcuts. Then you want to tap on the done button at the top over here. Now if you scroll down, you should now be able to find the screen recorder icon. Go ahead and tap on it to screen record, and now you can customize how you want to screen record. So you can actually do a full screen recording or a partial screen recording of some parts of your screen. You can also go ahead and choose the audio to record, so you can choose none if you don't want to record audio at all, or the media and mic. This is only going to record your phone, but then this is going to record both your phone and then the audio from your surroundings, and that is exactly what I want. So I'll select this. And if you also want it to show touches around the screen, you can enable this, but I do not want that. So once you're done, you want to tap on this start recording and give it a couple of seconds. Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is now screen recording. Now at this point, you can go ahead and tap on this profile or user icon at the top to be able to see yourself at the top left corner of the screen. If you do not want that, you can tap on it again. You can also go ahead and tap on the pencil icon over here, which enables you to be able to write on the screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. In addition to that, you can go ahead and pause it from the pause icon over here. You can also start it as well, and eventually if you want to stop the screen recording, just tap on the stop icon on the top right, and now your screen recording has been saved into your gallery. So if I open up my gallery now to the top, you can literally see this is my screen recording. So basically that is how to screen record on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Please let me know in the comment section if this was helpful, and subscribe to this YouTube channel guys.